Welcome to Takshisala Gurukul channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe immediately, press the bell button and write your comments and feedback. Share with your friends as much as possible. We provide online Kundalini Raja Yoga initiation and Kundali activation in 6 months. Ask for boons, the Son of the universe, to place the boundless love in one's soul, rather than the physical senses in the soul, in the supreme bliss of the sky. It is not the mark of a devotee to ask for things other than the goddess that are painful, impure, and impermanent, poisonous, and to be hopeful that the boon given by the darshan is not less, and to always ask for unwavering devotion in you. Those who desire material wealth, leaving the goddess who bestows supreme bliss, like a barren cow in the hand of a precious jewel, should be known as fools. The desire for wealth is the desire for sorrow, poverty is the desire for nothing, the desire for everything is the desire for nothing, the desire for nothing is the form of the goddess, and so on. 3. Forgetting the God who gave us wealth, and wealth is madness. Therefore, wearing a body and engaging in the affairs of the world becomes your tree. The desire to want wealth, the awareness of forgetting, the ownership of all this business of giving and taking is an illusion. Without the inspiration of the goddess, the God of charity, all men have no freedom. I will protect women and children. Let go of the ego that all this is happening because of me, and all the affairs of the body and the world are happening because of the one power that is all-pervading. The idea is that she is the all-doer and will do as she has made it, that is, the words of all the teachers are for our benefit. Non-differentiation. Vyasa lost his arms by praising Hari and insulting Hara. Hiranyakashyap lost his life by praising Hara and insulting Hari. Therefore, the feeling of difference is sorrow, and many scriptures and religious philosophies proclaim that there is no other God but one God, but it is lowliness to feel a difference between Hari and Hara. Even though many religions, depending on the circumstances of the country and time, worship the same original thing with names like Shiva, Narayana, Ishvara, Purusha, Shunya, Rama, Rahiv etc., the symbolic meaning of those names is related to the original thing, and even though the same thing appears to be different in terms of name and form, in reality there is no difference, as the same mind as Brahma in creating the creation, Vishnu in protecting, and Rudra in resolving the sins of the devotees. Even though it is said that Ishvara is the one when the devotees wish to be granted, and that Sadashiva is the one when the devotees grant salvation, the thing is not different but one. The feeling is like the tree of illusion, and the result is as it is thought. He who differentiates between God and Harihara will always experience the sorrow of birth and death. He who believes in non-difference attains liberation. The visible forms are not God. The all-witness consciousness is God. He should believe that consciousness is one in all forms and attain true happiness. Thus, he who believes in non-difference, that all forms are forms of power, becomes one with Brahman.